Here are 10 terrifying facts about space that will make you question what's really out there. Imagine a planet, drifting through the cold, dark emptiness of space, with no star to call home. These rogue planets wander aimlessly, cut off from the warmth and light of any sun. They could even be passing through our solar system right now, unnoticed, silently moving through the void. Stars like Betelgeuse, when they die, explode in an event called a supernova. These explosions release a burst of energy so powerful it could vaporize anything in our solar system. While we know Betelgeuse will eventually go supernova, no one knows when. It could happen tomorrow or thousands of years from now. Black holes are nature's ultimate predators. Their gravity is so strong nothing, not even light, can escape. Once you pass the event horizon, you're gone. No signal can be sent back, no escape. It's an eerie thought to consider that these invisible beasts are lurking out there, silently waiting for their next victim. If you get too close to a black hole, you'll be subjected to spaghettification. The immense gravitational forces stretch and tear you apart, elongating your body into a thin strand of matter atom by atom. It's a long, painful process, one where you cease to exist as you once were. Space is filled with deadly cosmic radiation constantly bombarding Earth. If we didn't have our protective atmosphere, this radiation would be enough to strip away life. Yet we live under constant threat, with no control over when or where these rays might strike. The coldest known place in the universe is the Boomerang Nebula, where temperatures dip to -458 degrees Fahrenheit, just 1 degree above absolute zero. At this temperature, all atomic movement halts. It's a place where no life could exist, and it's colder than the vacuum of deep space itself. There are vast regions of space called cosmic voids, areas so empty that they distort space-time itself. These immense dark voids stretch out for billions of light years, creating vast nothingness where even light struggles to travel. The idea of such emptiness, such isolation, is truly terrifying. The universe is expanding faster than ever before, and as it does, galaxies are speeding away from each other. In billions of years, the expansion will carry these galaxies so far that we won't be able to see them anymore. Our universe could eventually become a dark, empty place, isolated and alone. If you were exposed to the vacuum of space without a suit, you wouldn't explode, but you would die slowly. The lack of pressure would cause your body to swell, and your fluids would begin to boil. You'd suffocate in silence, drifting away in a cold, empty abyss. Around 85% of the mass of the universe is made up of something we can't even see, dark matter. We can't detect it, and we don't know what it is, but it's the force holding galaxies together. The very fact that it's out there, unknown, invisible, and uncontrollable, is enough to make anyone uneasy. Space is more than just a place of wonder. It's a realm filled with dangers we can barely grasp. Every discovery we make reveals just how little we really know and how fragile our existence is in this vast, hostile universe.